Hello and welcome to ADVANCEDRX video tutorial. In this video, we'll be looking at account management in the ADVANCEDRX processing software. So in the account management tab, we'll be covering these all following options, which is charge account statement, charge account payment, charge account adjustment, charge account group payment, charge account group, charge account transaction transfer, summary, and payment due. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The account management tab is on the top here. When you click on this, you get all those options: statement, payment, adjustment, group payment, group, transaction transfer, summary, payment due, and reports, which we'll be covering in a next video. So in this video, we'll be looking at one of these options, all of these options actually. So let's get started with account statement, charge account statement. So you can go and generate a charge account statement from charge account statement here. So it's basically kind of a report of the charge account statement. You can select a patient, you can just hit generate, and it would generate the report of all the patient. You can divide it with the name of the patient. You can select a group for which you want the charge account statement to be shown. You can go ahead and change the date, select your date. You can choose the previous balance if you want to show it. You can choose the current balance you want to show it. You can choose the payment. You can choose last payment, yes or no. Also, you can select LTC and suspended patients as well. Okay, so this here shows you the charge account statement. Okay, you can also write down the message to client here and it will be sent via email. You can select the mode. You can select due, whether it's a non-zero balance, non-negative balance, or a negative balance. You can merge account. You can check the verify statement. You can email in and then print it. You can print the statement, you can preview it. So these are all the options available in the charge account statement. Now let's look at charge account payment. So for charge account payment, you can select by patient, you can search by invoice, and I'll just go and click on generate so that I can show you how you can do it. So when you do it, you can just click on select a patient or just click edit payment, or go back, select any patient and click on pay. Okay, and it would give you the amount that you want to add. So you can select payment mode, select cash, check, bad debt, terminal 2 or virtual terminal, enter the check number if you have, enter the payment date, remark, and add a payment. So that's how you add a payment. Okay, you can also go ahead and edit a payment like we clicked on. So when you click on edit payment, it will show you all the payment added. You can click on edit and make the necessary changes that you want to do. Then we'll be looking at charge account adjustment. So here you select a patient. So I'll just go and select a patient. So this is the balance. What you do is enter the amount that you want to add, or debit it. So enter the type, whether it's a credit, whether it's a debit. Enter the date of the transaction. Enter the charge account. So this patient has 4. So select the charge account you want to select and add a note, add a remark, save and exit, and the payment would be adjusted. Then you have charge account group payment. So basically here you create an adjustment for a whole group. You can select the group, just generate it. I'll just go and generate it, select a group. So this is the group. You can just click on it and you can do a payment. Alright, similar like we do for charge account payment. So this is the charge account group payment if you want to do it. You can also go and edit it. Just click on it and edit payment. It would give you all the option to edit it. Now you have charge account group. So here you go and create a group, charge account group. So in order to create a charge account group, what you do is you go ahead, create a group name, enter the address, city, state, zip, phone number, all the required details, and save and exit. So a group would be created. Now in order to assign a patient to that group, what you do is you go into patient master. I'll just take you there, go to RX process. I'll just go and select a patient. For example, you select this patient, go to his patient profile, and in the patient profile you go to charge account, and here you have an option of selecting the group. So you can just go and select the group which you just created. Okay, and then you have charge account transaction transfer if you want to do a transaction transfer from a particular patient to a different patient. Okay, I'll just go ahead and select any patient. For example, we select this patient, select transfer from, transfer to, and click on transfer. It would be transferred successfully. Okay, just select and transfer. It would be transferred. You can also get all non-charge account RXs. You can add RXs to charge account, Okay, and you can select the transaction type by fill date or custom date, transaction date, you can choose that. So this is all what you can do with charge account transaction transfer. Then you have charge account summary. To pull the summary of charge account, and just select all or patient, you can select nursing home, just click on generate. It would give you all the report, all the summary of this particular year. You can also change the year, whichever year you want to have. Okay, and then you can do charge account payment due. So here it would show you a report of all the charge account whose payment is due. You can update the billing type, you can select a telecaller and assign a task. You can generate, you can export this report. You can select all patient, you can select till date, you can select which type of electronic billing, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this would show you all the charge account payment due report. So in this video, as I said, which we covered charge account statement, payment adjustment, group payment, group transaction transfer, summary, and payment due in brief. Okay, and thank you so much for this video. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.